Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Android mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys how to set lock screen password in Android mobile. Friends, you want to use lock screen password setting, you want to set lock screen password in Android mobile. So friends, now let's see how to set lock screen password one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel. So friends, in your Android mobile you want to set lock screen password, you want to unlock your mobile with password. How to unlock mobile with password? Open your phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Android mobile. So friends, in your Android mobile, scroll down here, open your phone security setting. After turning on phone security setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Android mobile. So friends, in your Android mobile, scroll down here, screen lock setting friends, click here, select your screen lock password type, swipe lock, pattern lock, pin lock and password lock, you can use it. So friends, if you click here pattern lock, so friends, draw pattern for your lock screen and remember your pattern. And if you forget your lock screen password, you will have to reset your mobile. Next option, click here confirm. Your lock screen password will set in your Android mobile and you can use this password on your lock screen. Lock your screen, you want to unlock your mobile, swipe here, draw pattern, enter password, phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can use password and security setting, and you can set your lock screen password in your Android mobile. Friends, you want to change your lock screen password, so friends, open your phone security setting. After turn on phone security setting friends, scroll down here, open your phone screen lock setting, confirm your pattern, again select your new password type and you can change password. So friends, I will click here pin password setting and I will change password. And friends, remember your password. If you forget your lock screen password, you will have to reset your phone, you will have to erase all data. After confirm password friends, lock your screen. And friends, when you will on your mobile, so friends, you can check pin password will show, pattern password will remove. Enter your password, you can unlock your Android mobile. Tap here, phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can use lock screen password setting, you can set, you can change lock screen password in your Android mobile. And friends, you don't want to use any password on lock screen, you want to remove your lock screen password. So friends, open your phone screen lock setting, enter your password. After enter password friends, click your swipe option and delete option. So friends, your lock screen password will remove. You can unlock your phone without password swipe, phone will unlock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section.